Hello guys, welcome to my channel Any Cloud Tech. My name is Anubhav and today we are going to learn how to create machine in Google Cloud. Okay, so for that we just need to open the Google Cloud. For that we have to type the command, go into Google, type here Google Cloud, and then Google Cloud link will appear. It would be cloud.google.com. Just click on that. Here you go into the sign in option, click on it, and if you can sign in this page, and it will ask for the password, and here you go. So you just need to click on this console. You are able to see the console, right? So go into the console, and probably you will get all the service appear on this page, and after that you will be able to see this page. See, this is the home page when you open the Google, and we'll discuss all this stuff later, but we are considering creation of a server. So go to this menu, go to compute engine, go into VM instances, click on it, just wait, and it will appear some options. So now you have few options. The one is create, import, and take a quick start. Okay, so this quick start is not required here, but these two options are very important. So this import option is for those people who want to import their machines from other cloud or from VMware, right? But here we are not going to import any machine, so we are clicking on this create machine. So just click on this, and now you will get option. It will ask for the machine name. So here I type GCP and VM01. So guys, remember this, if you type anything in caps, it will not take, okay, but it will accept the numeric value and the small letters. Okay, here this you can also give the label. You just need to give the label here if you have any, like prod or dev, anything. And here in the region you just need to select the region. So guys, we have discussed earlier, right, about the regions and the zones. So region, like suppose in USA, you can see there are 4 data centers, right? And these data centers are not on a single location. They are separated or very far from each other, but they are interconnected with high bandwidth, because as you know that Google is already having their own connectivity method, and they are not I think they are not using any other provider for this. They have their own channels, their own cabling and all. So let's suppose we have selected USA center 1, and under in center 1 we are selecting the data center A. So you can consider it as a data center. So it is a data center A. Now similarly, like in other cloud, you will be able to see the options which are related to the machines. So which kind of machine or which type of machine you wanted to create. So guys, remember that there are few types of machine. So when you create a machine, you will get a few options. So general purpose is the one, and then these general purpose machines are the normal machines which are common for workload and optimized for the cost and flexibility. For cost optimized, here if you want high performance, so you can use this option, and you will get the high compute, I mean the CPU, the maximum CPU will get. And for memory, these are large memory machine type, and if you want more memory for your application for which you are creating a server, you can use this option. And for GPU, if you have any application which is using more graphics than a normal machine, you can select this option. Otherwise, go into the general option, and here you just need to select any machine which is free tier, or it depends on your uses as well. So you can see, so there are some options which are coming. So let's suppose we want to create a EC2 small. So let's select this. Guys, one more thing, just wanted to confirm here that Google is also giving the customize option, which you will not get in any other cloud. So like if you selected here E2 small, so means 2 CPU and 2 GB of memory. But if you want to customize your machine, you can select this option. So go into the custom, and let's suppose I want 2 CPU, sorry, the 1 CPU and 2 GB of RAM, right? So see, it will also throw an error that core cannot be 1, because there is no combination like that, but you can make it as you want, and there would be many options, because Google is also trying to suggest here how many cores will be compatible with how many of GB of your RAM, right? So let's suppose, so here it was 4 GB, right? But we have make it 2 GB. So this is custom. So let's go with custom. There is no issue. Okay, and then probably you just need to select the boot option, the boot disk. So as you all know that in your server there is a boot disk, right? In Windows you can say a C drive, right? Guys, there is a C drive. So here you need to change this type. You need to select a boot device or boot disk, sorry. Go into Windows Server here, and you can select any server, like you can select here 2012 R2 data center. Guys, this is just for testing purpose, so I am just selecting as 2012 R2 data center, but it is up to you and your need. You can select any of available image which are publicly available here. Guys, let's discuss a few more things, like in boot disk you can also select as custom image. So here in custom image you can also you can select your images. If you have already one image, you can say as if you have any golden image with you, so you can select your golden image here. Golden image, guys, is nothing, it's just a custom image which you compile for your use, or like you can say, when you install a machine for a company, you need to have some certain software installed on it, and you need to harden that image. So this is kind of that image. Guys, you can also if you have snapshot of if you have any snapshot which is from any server and having OS. So I don't have any snapshot right now, so it is showing me that option. Okay, this option is blank, but if I could have this snapshot, it would be populated here. So you can also select the snapshot, so you can create your drive from the snapshot. And guys, this option is available in Azure as well as in Google right now we are doing, but this option is not available in AWS. Okay, from existing disk also you can create the server. Okay, so as you know that so there are many options, right? So there are many options, so we are selecting this option, and here you can see the disk type as well, the SSD, standard, balanced, and okay. So these drives are basically differentiated by Google, and each drive is is having some other functionality than each other. Like one, if we are selecting SSD here, so we will get more IOPS, right, input output on the drive. Guys, so this is for testing, so we are selecting here 50 GB only, and when we click on select, you can see this has been changed now. So 50 GB, it will show you the details as well, like, so we are creating 50 GB and we are creating 50 GB C drive, and with the operating system of 2012 R2 data center. Okay, and go into more options. So where if you want to allow some traffic or something, you can select the firewall as allow HTTP traffic, allow HTTPS traffic as well. but we will not go into the depth for firewall because we are right now creating the machine just for basic understanding. Okay, we'll discuss it later in other upcoming videos. So go into the management and go to networking. This is main and important part. So you just need to, so you can see like it has already taken one VPC and subnet, right? So this is my default one. So while I can select another one, but let it be, right? So here it will also ask to take the IPs, okay, the internal IP, which is automatic, but we can also give the custom. Guys, this option will get in Azure and AWS as well. So when you create a machine in user data or in static IP, you can give this entry. So right now we are taking as automatic, so it will take the one IP from this series. Okay, so this series will have 255 IPs, but as per Google, they are reserving 5 IPs from the 5 IPs from your range. So we are selecting automatically without any confusion. It will take one IP. For external IP as well, guys, so internal and external. So external IP is your public IP, which will start from other than private range. So what are the private ranges, by the way? So private ranges will start from 10 and then 172.31 and then 192 to 168. These are 3 basic range, A, B, C. And other than these ranges, if we use external, so external will get, I will show you in that video. Now we are taking as, so guys, one more option is available here. This is one option, and this is create IP address. So guys, let it be as informal, and just go and select this option, create, and now it will go into the console automatically. Okay guys, so the machine is ready now, and you can see this green icon, so that means the machine is running in the backend. And how to log in onto the machine? Okay, this is the question. So guys, very simple. Google gives you an option where you can reset your password, you can create a username for first time. There is a key funda as well, like Amazon, but it is simple here. So you just need to click on this, set on Windows password, and it will give you some by default username as per your email address. So here we will give a name. So I have given this AV, and when I'm clicking on set, it will pop up one password, complicated password. And till the time, let me open the notepad and just copy and paste my password. Okay, so here you go, you get the password. Okay, so this is the password. So guys, you just need to go into the run and type here MSTSC. Okay, so guys, this is for Windows machine. So this is specifically for Windows machine, that's why we are typing here MSTSC. For Linux it would be a different one. Okay, so we'll come on to the Linux part as well once this Windows will be done. So here we need to type this IP address here, the public IP, and then click on connect. Just have some patience and it will get connected. Okay, so here you get the prompt. You just need to give this AV and then the password here. This now it should launch the machine, and you will get the RDP. Yeah, perfect. And now you just need to click on yes, and now you will be able to connect. So guys, the connection or once you will take the RDP first time of your server, it might take more time than normal time for login, because it will take time in creating your profile on the server. So don't worry about that. It is normal behavior of Windows. Okay, so just wait and see, you will get it. But as I told you that your machine will respond little slow than the normal is appearing. So can see. Okay, perfect. So we got the screen, and just to see whether we have launched it just now, you can also see the uptime of this server. So guys, so first time loading, so it is not accepting any click right now. Okay, so click on task manager. Just wait for a while, guys. So just let it load, because this server manager loads and take some time when server starts, right? So just minimize it. Okay, perfect. Click on more options in the task. Okay, and once it appears, go to this performance option, and you will see. So you can see the uptime, guys. So this is the uptime. So from last 2 minute 36 second, this machine is up and running. But you can see the CPU is moving up to 100%. So as I told you that we are not using too much of CPU here. So this machine is just for testing purpose. Okay, so just to log off this machine, go to here. You just need to identify first that on which host name you are working right now. So guys, host name is just a OS name. So this is the machine, you can see this is the machine name. So we are on correct machine. So this machine we need to shut down. So we just need to type here shut shut down, and then space, then s minus s. Minus s means this machine will keep in shutdown mode. Then minus t, this is for time. And when you want to do this shutdown, 00. This means you are going to shut down this machine in 0 second. Do not wait for this. Okay, it means do not wait for any seconds. And when you press enter, this machine will go down, and this command will keep this server in shutdown mode until you will not power on this server from here. Okay, so thank you guys for watching my video. Okay, hope you like it, and I would request you to subscribe my channel and like it. Okay, thank you, and I will be uploading my next video maybe in 2 or 3 days. Okay, please keep watching. Okay, thank you very much.